excited that we're figuring out how many 5/10 miles are in 4 miles. And the way you would write that is, oh gosh, I do that from time to time, excuse me, is that we are saying 4 divided by 5/10, because that is saying how many 5/10 are in 4. Now you could have visually done this anyway, where you go, okay, that's a half mile, another trip would be a mile, another trip would be a mile and a half, another, okay, that is fantastic thinking. I don't mind how you got there. We're just practicing using flats or decimal grids, but that totally works for me. You know I love it when you draw pictures. So we have 4 written first, which is what we are dividing. And so I'm going to model my 4 holes. Here's mile 1, mile 2, mile 3, mile 4. And I'm going to see how many 5/10 are in all 4. So you would go 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10. 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10. 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10. 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10. Terrible drawing. That's why I'm a math teacher, not an art teacher. 1/10, oh, that might confuse you. 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10. 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10. 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10. 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10. So there is 1 lap, 2 laps, 3 laps, 4 laps, 5 laps, 6 laps, 7 laps, 8 laps. You would have to go 8 laps of 5/10 to get to of a mile to get to 4 miles. I want to hear you from Havelock go whoop whoop. Except don't wake your parents. If they're sleeping, don't wake your parents. All right, now on to the exit tickets. If you are uncomfortable with any of these, I want you to go back and watch the videos. Please watch the videos. So once you figure out what it is that you're dividing, you put that first, you write that first in your expression, and if you go, oh gosh, this is a whole number divided by a decimal, I didn't quite catch on to that, I'm going to go back and rewatch one of the videos where it's a whole number divided by a decimal, or if you're struggling with decimal divided by a whole number, please go back and rewatch those videos. If you have a hard time going back and rewatching, let me know. I will help you figure it out. All right, guys, these exit tickets are super important. You must write an expression. You must, well, actually write an equation because I need to see your answer. So let me backtrack. You must write an equation. You must solve with modeling. And you must give me an answer. I see a lot of people modeling, but I never see their answer. And I just want to make sure you know what you're looking at. So do you see how, minus my little drawing here, I want to see a model. I want to see an equation, and I want to see an answer. I must see all of what you see on the screen on your answers so that I can see your thinking, okay? All right, listen, guys, I love you. I know you're going to do a great job. We've got this, and we're going to work together. Please get this done today so that I can see what I'm working with and who I'm working with. And I will see you in Zoom. Love ya.